Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Coffee and Sweets. Today I'm going to show you how I make a pour over using my Origami Dripper. We'll brew a 1:15 ratio, so 20 grams of coffee with 300 milliliters of water. First, measure out 20 grams of your favorite coffee. Ground your coffee to medium fine, or if you have an Encore Baratza coffee grinder like me, set the grind settings to 14. Alright, grab your hot water and start by rinsing your filter paper. Pour your coffee into the dripper and flatten the coffee bed by giving it a little tap. Start the timer and pour 40 grams of water to start the blooming phase. Then quickly give the coffee bed a quick stir so the water is distributed to every ground of coffee. Then let the coffee bloom for 35 to 40 seconds. After bloom phase, pour water aggressively in a circular motion to churn the coffee bed. Make sure the water don't hit the filter paper. When the scale reaches 150 milliliters, transition to light pour and maintain the water level for the remainder 150 milliliters. Once you reach 300 milliliters, use a small spoon and lightly stir the coffee to knock out grinds that are stuck on the wall of the filter. When the water level is a bit lower, give the coffee a quick swirl. This will flatten the coffee bed and ensure water flow evenly through the coffee. And that's it. That is my origami dripper recipe. I hope you enjoy and find this useful. Thanks for watching.